everybody, today I got 3 packages, 1 squishy and 2 squishies. I'm not sure which squishies they are. Oh my gosh, never mind. Okay, so I just opened it and it is my cake and it is, oh, it's like a marshmallow. Oh my gosh, it's literally a marshmallow. Oh my gosh, this is so like, it's not so rising like I thought it was, but it's so soft. It's so, this is a good squishy. I didn't know it was gonna have this. I just squashed it, yeah. I squished it right when I got it out and I feel the hard thing out. It's just a little thing. I wouldn't want to hang this on anything at all. And I think that's it for this one. Whoa! I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but this is like the perfect size. So, alright, next one. My cakes. I'm really happy. This is huge! Oh my gosh! This is huge! $5 for like this size? But this is $5 for my whole hand. Exact price. Which one would you like? And this one's like slow rising. It is slow rising. Oh my gosh. Chemicals, but no way. It's like, oh, I see there's like no defects so far. Really good. Like none. Like maybe paint. That's like more than like painted on. Like extra paint. But like, so huge. Oh. Okay, these are amazing. These are amazing. Okay, time to get into this. I'm pretty sure it's like a bracelet or a ring or something small. My necklace, and it's the yin yang necklaces. So there's 2. So if you have a friend who wants to be yin and who wants to be yang, oh, this is really cool. That is super cool. And that's 2 necklaces right there. Whoa. Whoa, this is good. Everything in the packages. We got this really pretty necklace. Well, there's 2 necklaces. It's a yin yang. Yes. Oh, yeah. They go together. Then this thing, oh my goodness, worth it. Links are in the description to everything that I got in this video. And yeah. It's so soft. It's really good. That's awesome. So links in the description for this cake and the necklace. So if you think that you like cheap squishies that are actually good quality, then go check out AliExpress. Not sponsored, I just love them because it's like cheap prices, and like I literally ordered this like the other day and it came today, so like that was fast shipping. But most of their items don't come within that amount. It's taken 3 months sometimes, but like usually the squishies come fast. From my knowledge of ordering squishies, they come like that within the month or so of you ordering it. This is really awesome. So links in the description, don't forget to click them, and yeah, bye.